Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey has this car seat that keeps collapsing. As you can see, it's torn open right here because he likes to prop his arm up and lean over there where he can look at Mama while we ride. So it's finally pooped out, and I'm waiting on my delivery for his new car seat. And in the meanwhile, I need something because he goes everywhere with me. So I figured out something. You see this? It's the same pails that I got from the Dollar Tree with the handles on the ends that I also use for my raised bed gardening. I brought his car seat in so that I can measure this strap that goes over the headrest, and then you've got to have a strap that goes around the seat to keep it straight, level. So I have some rope that I'm going to tie into these handles, and I got a couple other things that I'm going to take it outside, put it in the car, put Jeffrey in, and see if it works. And we're all fixing to find out here together. So let me get started. Okay, so I'm gonna measure for the rope from here to here. Although I'm gonna add a little extra because this is put in the back corner, and I'm going to be going from the side handle. So for one thing, I'm going to double it to make it stronger, and then I'm going to go a couple inches further because I also have to tie it. $40 inches. It's going to be for these handles. So I'm going to put it through one handle like so, and then I'm going to tie it in this other handle. Well, actually, it doesn't even have to be right there. But it won't matter because this handle's going to be covered. You'll see it here in a second. My little plan. So here's how it's going to go back over the seat. And then, since this is not really, this is kind of that stiff plastic, I'm going to burn a hole. Actually, I think I'm going to burn 2 holes, because if we, or you could drill a hole. My point is, if we cut a hole, then it's going to have little crackly edges, and then it might spread into a big crack. So I think maybe a drill would be easier than the burning. So let me grab my drill. I forgot about y'all. I just went ahead and was working away. Anyway, I got my biggest drill bit and drilled one hole. And then on the other hole, I was pushing too hard and I busted it through. So I'm putting a big knot on the inside. And I have this Gorilla tape that I'm going to tape over that one and this one just to be sure. And for my links, on his old car seat, it was 40 inches. But I had to tie knots inside, and I'm going to have to tie it together in the car. So one piece is 40 inches, and then the other one I just made another big piece. See, because if you're going to use this, you know, all the time, which I'm thinking you should be able to, you don't want it to pull through that hole. And I didn't want to put the holes on the end because I'm thinking when it's tied to the seat, you know, pulling really tight, it's going to break that. Whereas this way, it's going to go across the seat and then back wrapped around. If that makes any sense. This Gorilla Tape is pretty good. It's waterproof and everything. I used it on a bucket that had a crack in it a long time ago, and that bucket's still working great. Okay, now that we did that, and I will tell y'all, I had this sitting here waiting for me to do this, and the cat was in love with it. Yesterday I set it out here to remember to do it, and the cat thought it was a new cat bed. So when Jeffrey gets his new car seat, I guess it'll be a cat bed. Okay, so just put your pillow in there. I put a nice puffy one because I want, Jeffrey likes to hang his arm out. He thinks he's a cool cat when he's in there. And then this is kind of similar to the stuff that's in his old car seat. It's just one of those cheap fleece blankets. So, you just put that over. Look, he still has a padded area to put his little arm over. I'm going to go take it out in the car and take a picture, take a video of him in it, and we'll see if it falls apart, if it works, or whatever. Here we go. How you like your new seat? You ready to go for a ride? Well, guys, it looks like it works. Don't look at my dirty car. Well, I couldn't tease him about going for a ride without taking him for a ride. So we made a quick trip down to the Dollar General, and he was pretty comfortable with his new car seat by the time we headed back. Kitty also loved it, and here's her in when she just helped herself to get in when I had it sitting out as a project to make. So it looks like it's going to end up being a dual purpose. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.